If you are looking for a remote job or a side hustle, this video is definitely for you. In this video, I'll be sharing with you a company that is remote friendly and is currently recruiting for 13 positions. If you find this video useful, please remember to like the video and share it with someone who may need this. Plus, if you watch till the end, I will be sharing a bonus company that is hiring for a remote position. So definitely watch till the end to get the full gist. Hi Magis gang, my name is Majojiba Maji for short. If you're new here, you are welcome to my channel, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. It's always a pleasure to have you here with me again. Group hug. I hope everyone's having a good week so far and you are not letting anyone or anything dim your light. The company I'm going to be telling you about in this video is called 10up, and I'm just going to run through the different job opportunities that are available right now. There's a lead front-end developer role available, and the location is remote anywhere. So it's open to applicants located anywhere around the globe, which is the world, as we all know. And this is a brief description of what you would do. Please do well to check the link that I'll be leaving on the screen so that you can have a look at the details of the job description. And this is the salary range. So it says the expected annual salary range for this position is between $90,000 and $150,000 okay, and the compensation is going to be determined based on a variety of factors, including relevant experience, other job related qualifications and skills, geographic location, and business needs. You are at your best leading a team of engineers to solve a complex problem while providing code reviews, coaching, and mentorship. You have a code portfolio of real-world samples to showcase your skills. You have the ability to clearly present your thoughts to clients and team members. You prefer to work fully remote and are effectively engaging in a distributed team from the location of your choosing. So the next one that we're going to be looking at is a senior digital account manager. Like I said, I will leave the links across the screen. Do well to make a note of it and visit the sites for whichever of the opportunities might be interesting to you. So this is also a remote position, remote anywhere, open to applicants located anywhere around the globe. Just scrolling down, this is the salary range. So the expected annual salary range for this position is between $80,000 to $100,000. So the next one we're going to be looking at is lead visual designer, America's team. It says America's team, but down here it says location is remote anywhere, open to applicants located anywhere around the globe. So the salary range for this one is $90,000 to $120,000. The next one is senior front-end developer, and it's also remote anywhere across the globe. If you have the relevant experience, you can apply. So the expected annual salary range for this position is between $70,000 and $130,000. So the next one is lead web developer, remote as well, anywhere around the globe, and the annual salary range for this position is between $80,000 to $140,000. The next on our list is senior programmatic strategist. Location remote anywhere, open to applicants located anywhere around the globe, and the anticipated or the expected annual salary range for the position is between $85,000 to $125,000 just for clarification purposes. The next is lead JavaScript developer, React, and the location once again is remote anywhere, open to applicants located anywhere around the globe. So the annual salary range for the position is between $90,000 and $150,000. So the next one is senior digital project manager, and the location is remote anywhere, and the expected annual salary range for this position is between $60,000 to $120,000. Here we have team lead digital project management. This is remote anywhere across the globe again. The expected annual salary range for this position is between $60,000 to $110,000. So this one is Senior Audience Growth Strategist, SEO Analytics. Location is remote anywhere around the globe or around the world. And if we just scroll down, the expected annual salary range for this position is between $80,000 and $110,000 US. Okay, so this one is Associate Director of Business Development. It's a remote opportunity for anywhere across the globe. And if we just scroll down, the expected annual salary range for this position is between $95,000 and $145,000 US. Okay, so this one is a Senior JavaScript Developer, React, and it's located remote anywhere across the globe. The salary range is between $70,000 and $130,000 US. So this is a Senior Systems Engineer position, still at the same company, 10up. Location is remote anywhere across the globe, and the expected salary range is between $60,000 and $100,000 US. Okay, so the bonus job position that I'm going to be sharing with you in this video, it is still a remote job, but it's with a different company. So the company is called Alice by ACTABL, and the job title is Sales Development and Demand Generation Representative. This is a full-time remote position, and they've also added that it's entry level. So if we were to go through the job description quickly, you would see that they are looking for a candidate who is hungry, meaning you are driven to make a big impact and grow your career at a high growth organization. You're a good communicator, you're adaptable, you have the ownership mentality, you're entrepreneurial, you're a team player, and you're tenacious, problem solver, and empathetic. The salary range for the job is between $40,000 to $60,000 US. Okay fam, that's all for today. I hope you found this video helpful, and I hope that you can share it with someone that would also find the information I have shared beneficial. If you did find it helpful, please remember to give me a thumbs up. If you're not yet subscribed, please also remember to subscribe and join Magi's gang. I will see you all in my next video, but till then, as always, stay blessed and remember God loves you. Bye.